Welcome back. Chairman of the Linkages Council, Adam Stewart, is calling for corporate Jamaica to help small businesses to grow. Mr. Stewart, who was speaking at the launch of Christmas in July at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston, made the call as he pushed to get more local manufactured products in hotels. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks tells us more in this week's edition of the Business Review.
Give them a chance. Hold their hand.
A passionate plea from the chairman of the Linkages Council, Adam Stewart. The appeal going out to corporate Jamaica. Mr. Stewart telling his colleagues to give young entrepreneurs a chance, some displaying their wares at the annual Christmas in July event at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel late last week.
They're being handheld by the Tourism Linkages Network and by the JBDC. But we need to make sure and help them that we don't take away their enthusiasm, but in fact that we inspire them to keep going as they learn their lessons and don't give up on them.
Pointing out many companies given the chance to grow have grown, he introduced Cydia Brown, a director of Sidsil Customs Craft.
Sidsil Customs Craft is a company that make hats, handbags, iPad case, wedding souvenirs. It's custom craft, so anything that we can use from the natural fiber to make, once you come to us, we'll never say no. We'll at least try to make it. So we use that fiber and make a phone case, anything that you can imagine.
Ms. Brown has been participating in Christmas in July for the past 3 years. The challenge for the company at the beginning was to produce corporate gifts, which it did, starting with iPad cases and getting her first big order of the items from the U.S. Embassy.
So I'm very pleased, I'm very grateful for this event. It has caused our company to grow, to expand. There are a lot of persons even from overseas that has been calling us. They have seen us from the show 3 years ago and they're still interested in buying from us.
It's a story to draw the attention of the Industry, Commerce and Agriculture Minister, Audley Shaw. He said stories like hers mean Jamaica can no longer give lip service to linkages in the economy. Coming to this latest Christmas in July initiative, Mr. Shaw said he was keen to know how many hotels were there to interact with local manufacturers and was disappointed there weren't many. He has since devised a plan to let hotels know what manufactured items are available from Jamaican producers.
And I want a list of everything displayed, and I want a cover letter drafted for my signature, and it is going to be sent to every hotel in Jamaica. What happened here today?
Manufacturers endorsing the move also point to other issues, chiefly financing for the sector.
It is time, Minister, that we receive the 4% money afforded to other industries.
Mr. Shaw, who has long been an advocate for low interest rates, reiterated that he is actively pursuing that matter. He said he met with the finance minister last week to discuss the very issue, and a submission has been made to cabinet as he seeks to go after $15 billion held in dormant accounts to make available to manufacturers at low single digits. He praised the efforts to link hotels, manufacturers and farmers in Jamaica, but said the idea must be taken further.
I'm going on a crusade to have the hotels from near and far, including the Spanish hotel chains, yes. Because I want to say to them, I know of your vertical integration model. Yes, I know about that. But I want to say, I want to marry our exotics, our clear potential, and put them into your vertical integration model.
For him, it's time to get aggressive and creative. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.